Ghana yendwene yempese yebedwene education a ye okrom ase me ba ade mienu na mepese me de ba be school ba ko ye thinking subject because me say yempe thinking Ghana yendwene yempese yebedwene se yedwene na etie ya anase bibi enti yedwene for ochena pe yedwene ne ebedi na ochena yendwene hwe ye timpo. And the members of the thinking subject about a school.
You say away, Menewo, I say it be drain. Because I dream, because I dream, but I dream be one man because won't exercise in Intino and then a woo brochia or be school. You are supposed to what? Find solutions to problems while in school. It's your benino. Well, who say I'm supposed to find solutions? Young man, education system. We don't even have an education system because right from 92, government will change the education because you need national policy on education. Yawaha, ya may up to last year, na you need books for our medicine and me baba ina ye homework I have to go to Google na me bisa me ho say sa Google na me Google no me ami momenti ase me ba no obeda na wate ase eye jimie mama kwa baba Xposed J FM members subscribe badoma ne so mame me de tumu pe na wanya bi ahwe na asembia chadaka enemy wo education so ose Ghana I see a thinking subject. Do you know what a thinking subject is? Your faculties no ejimi I see a thinking subject because we don't think we don't find solutions. Now omanya yan so there we can never find solution. Our education system has been designed say go and chew and pour and pass. That's all we are used to. And that's what I will say. On your bar, thinking subject will become what? A reality. Yem ko tie ni acha da ba ye ba ye beto aso.
Ghana yendwene yempese ye bedwene. Education a ye okrom ase. Me ba ade mienu na mepese me de ba be school. Ba ko ye thinking subject. Because me say yempe thinking. Ghana yendwene yempese ye bedwene. Say yedwene na etie ya anase bibi enti yedwene for ochena pe yedwene ne ebedi na ochena yendwene hwe ye timpo enti mepese me de thinking subject eba be school nim say enye Christopher Columbus man say mutua omo ho ade abrochefo asem na yetwa so na afi de Ghana man no hya se akra no o hya se so odwene because edwene ehu hia Nyagopo andwene kranko ombo. And we have to think, we have to be thinkatives, not talkatives. Yakasa chance any edwene. As I say edwene more. Na ye makasa nenya less noise, more thinking. And normal better than Dani amana be bibi no one obe hu se ne se ye no.
Oh, sha ewiase away. Menewo. I say it be dwen. Mekasa adwa mekasa ye ni adwen but adwen no bi wo ho no ma because wo exercise in intino ene ewu okwa brochi a obi ko school a you are supposed to what find solutions to problems while in school into obenyi no wa who say I am supposed to find solutions. Yamba education system, we don't even have an education system because right from 92 government will change the education because you need national policy on education. Yawaha, ya may up to last year, na you need books for our medicine. And then me baba, ina ye homework. I have to go to Google. Na me bisa me ho say, sa Google na me Google no. Me ami momenti ase me ba no obeda no wate ase. Eye jimie. We need to find solutions to our problem. How do you do it? You have to design programs that are best suited to your culture. And then you see the American system, the British system. How about the Ghanaian system? Do we have one? Yeah, maybe. By our Ghanaian system, it will be suited to our environment for us to push forward. And then you school, make police, make way. How many people will say I want to employ people? Because the thinking has been made say go and find work to do. Yeah, JHS ni SHS na the buy no. We have even defeated the idea already because there were no tools for people to even learn the trade. Yeah, was society ma sabi obi kura PhD in automobile. Or sorry, an opana ne cars pa ke no okofre fita or kwa ho se omra no mehwe ma no onimu ye a book knowledge. Ye wo kroma engineers are sitting in air conditioning chilling out. Meanwhile, your roads are nyina enya papa. Because sabi only the field to add the knowledge that he has acquired to it. Most of our institutions are what? Theory based. We don't have practicals. Akwala school. What they need to do, you have to what? Retrain. That's not how it works. Okwa brochira, obi start school first year na owie no, otimi ko share djuma bi mu na oye apprenticeship. Enti obi wie no onima djuma ne deda. Enya fe no owie ni akwachire the practical side of the job. When na ye bibia, we need to start thinking because ya nwiya ha. Ye be di edokono kwa. Omani because ye nwi ni ntino, nyama bebre ho ye betimi ye a, ye ntimi nye. Could you imagine sec obi a okwa PhD in automobile and then na untimi nye car? Because once you hear all the parts, aka practical meanwhile obi wa boso kan, obi wa magazine, otimi tutu cars ni na she onko school da. Ghana penna on kwa se tro CV bra. CV no atro PhD in this, masters in this, and deben oba adwuma no de man ontimi nye. Yewra chada, no ye bachelor. Osha M1 no jaye. And now can one of the richest people on the continent of Africa, Chada. Wanya number 1 and sobe number 2. Adentia, because who said this is my field and I need to go there. Book long in the dorsal. Quote in the dorsal. We need to go to the base. How to go to the base? Africa need luxury life. Meanwhile, we need to go to the base and to make what the process would work again. And then I was thinking because I would problem here, you want to solve it. And now I'm here TV. Pi be na pi wall airport. It's really good no be. Do you know why? Because you need to find solution to a problem. Now I say I offer Ghana water. You for almost so na run for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, baby, I'm eating so ma. And you cry again. A crow way and it is a child that say or person or back near drain near me supporting no. Because I drain there, yeah. I drain something okwa pour back where someone drain. Only I drain to me pour back. Me papa chow. Still, I expose you FM Bruce. Also subscribe and subscribe. And the 2 pen when you be man bye bye.